the state. Angel Salcido is live at UNMH with the latest on those requirements. Angel.
Well, Kellen, right now our state has a requirement for all healthcare workers to be fully vaccinated unless there's a religious or a medical exemption. Well, starting tomorrow, they'll also have to add a booster shot to their list to be considered fully vaccinated and remain in compliance with that mandate. Our state implemented its first vaccination deadline last September. Troy Clark from the New Mexico Hospital Association says not everyone met that deadline.
Had about 100 healthcare workers who opted not to get vaccinated by the time the deadline hit,
leading to several reasons for their departure.
Either not be able to come to work, defer employment, leave of absence, or actually terminate from their employment.
Now there's an extension to that requirement. Beginning tomorrow, the definition of fully vaccinated for New Mexico healthcare workers will include a booster shot.
There are some complexities along with the mandate now being redefined for fully vaccinated to include booster shots.
He says the timing of when healthcare workers are eligible for the booster may cause them to miss tomorrow's deadline.
In order to make certain that we don't have a negative impact on our healthcare workers, there are some that get an extra 2 weeks to come into compliance.
So for most, the deadline will still be January 17th, but if a healthcare worker has a medical or religious exemption, that person will have some extra time.
There may be a lot of people that we as employers were not aware of, or employees themselves were not aware of, that may have been impacted.
There's also an exemption for any healthcare worker who tested positive for COVID and then got infusion therapy. Per protocol, you would have to wait 120 days before you could get the booster shot to be eligible. I'm live in Albuquerque, Angel Salcido, KOAT, Action 7 News.
Angel, thank you. The New Mexico Hospital Association says the state will keep track of how many healthcare workers are in compliance with this new mandate. They should have a better handle on the numbers in a couple of weeks.